Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. It's the day after Christmas. It's December 26th, and in Oklahoma, where I live at right now, it is pouring rain and storming. So I thought I'd come out here to the shop and play just a little bit. Earlier this month, I upgraded my system just a little bit. I didn't say anything about it on here until I kind of got just a little bit of education on it. I haven't got a lot. I've been pretty busy in December. I upgraded the software from Vectric to Vectric Aspire. Reason being, it took me so long to upgrade. It's a more expensive software. VCAR runs around $700. To upgrade to Aspire, it's another $1,300 on top of that $700, making it a $2,000 program. But what it adds to the system is it'll allow you to do 3D stuff. I really hope to have something by now that I was putting out that I had designed that was 3D. It's pretty in-depth programming, and I haven't really had the time to really get deep into it. I hope to soon to be able to get real deep and make something original. But today I was just messing with it, and I thought that I would try to do a piece of the clip art that they provided with the software. And so that's what we're going to do, is we're going to cut out a piece of the Vectric Aspire clip art, and we'll see how it turns out. Here we go. Alright guys, that was it. Y'all saw me move the camera around 2 or 3 times. It's the first time I've done any 3D, and I mean it has a different cut pattern. It just sits there and cuts a circle the whole time, and I was just trying to move it around, looking through the reticle, seeing what would be the best angle so you could see it better, and I'll just have to play with it. I still don't know what the best is. When I watch the video, this video, I'll maybe be able to determine it for myself. And I don't know if you could tell what it was when we cut it out. It's an eagle head. And I mean, as you can see, it is raised up. And the reason it did a little dish, I can do it to where it'll do it on top of the wood, but in order to do that, it has to take away all of the surface around it and leave one little area raised. That particular version of this took over 5 hours. This took about 40 minutes. It wasn't horribly long, and I mean the detail is amazing. The difference in this and some of the other stuff I've done, it uses a bit called a ball nose bit, which is done for detail. I used a 1/8 inch ball nose. That's going to be hard to see. So right here I have a 1/4 inch ball nose, and you can see the tip of it is rounded, and you've got 2 flutes coming off of it. Normally whenever I'm cutting things, when you see me using a straight bit, I'm using a 1/8 inch end mill. There's a 1/4 inch end mill. You can see it's a flat flute, or a flat end, and it has 2 flutes coming off the side of it. I just really wanted to do a quick video today and just try out the clip art on the 3D stuff, because I mean, to me that's really exciting. I'll be able to make some really cool stuff when I truly understand the programming on it. But anyway guys, if you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.